Do-it-yourself basic, double slit experiment kits, with general materials. 1. Draw a center line on a long strip of laminated wood. 7 cm x 80 cm. It can be bigger in dimensions. One edge has water paint that left and right will not mix up. 2. Cut the wood into 7 sections. One base 7 cm x 60 cm. 5 stands 7 cm x 2.5 cm. One laser stands 7 cm x 6 cm. Note: recycled wood, please ignore holes. 3. I stick cardboards each 7 cm x 10 cm to the back of the 5 stands as screens with doubled-sided tape. 4. Extend the vertical line from the base to the screen with pencil. 5. Draw a temporary horizontal line 6.5 cm from the bottom. 6. Glue the laser timber on the center line of the base. 7. Mount the laser pointer on the timber with Play-Doh. No glue yet. Note: ensure batteries can be replaced in the future. 8. Move the laser pointer slightly until it point at the same point. At A and B, the alignment is done. 9. I then glue the laser pointer with glue gun permanently. 10. Double slit, hair sample. A thick paper 4 cm x 8 cm. B 1 cm square hole. C sticky tape a hair. In the middle. D masking tape. As close as possible. On both sides of hair. 11. Double slit stand. A pointer spot as center, cut A. 1 cm square. B glue thick paper as slit holder as shown. 12. Double slit experiment is ready. Note: may use wall as backscreen or paste on stand a piece of fine paper. 13. Coming soon Poisson spot sample or experiment. Note: for double slit explanation without using superposition. Please refer to the ebook The Universe as Seeping 2. The Universe as Seeping 2. Free ebook download link in video description. Thank you for watching.